Go to my uncle page.
What up, dude? To the Peanut Gallery. It's your boy Peanut, the People's Nut. I'm back with another one. Today's topic, we're going to talk about YOLO. You only live once, player. YOLO can be debated or argued as a good mindset or a bad mindset. It certainly depends on the individual and your level of risk. However, we can all safely agree and say that it's necessary on some level, especially building confidence in oneself as a man. You have to have a healthy balance of YOLO and apply it to the right situations. A lot of people think fast money is better than just having gas money. But more often than none, fast money is the quickest way to know money because you fail to learn the fundamental principles about money in life. Take for instance, all these internet gurus and these schemes people fall for, clout. We could spend a whole video talking about it. Even 6ix9ine made a lot of money off of clout and many others. But do you think they really enjoy it? Our ability to persuade people depends a lot on that person's idea of a power figure. This goes from the YouTube world to the college world to the street life to the corporate life. A universal one is money and status, especially in a first world country. Which is why you see a lot of your favorite internet gurus or people on YouTube using props like fancy cars or extravagant trips or dressing a certain way. It's all marketing, so they can market to you a product or service or lifestyle that many of them aren't even living. Don't get me wrong, social proof is definitely good for business. But just to do it, just to push a shitty product for money or your ego, I can't rock with that. You, yes, you, definitely should run if anyone on the internet act as if they have the secret formula to enlightenment, prosperity, or peace. The truth is, there is no secret. The secret is, pick up a book, get a library card, learn something. Because you already knew what peace was. Ever since you were a little kid, before life began to harden you. Do you remember when you were a kid and you could sit and watch the same movie 1,000 times as if it was the first time and still be super excited? The key to enlightenment is maintaining your inner child and fight like hell to not be hardened by life's bullshit. There's an old native story, the tale of two wolves. An old Cherokee once told his grandson, there's a battle between two wolves inside of us. One is evil, full of anger, jealousy, greed, resentment, lies, and ego. The other is good, full of joy, peace, love, hope, kindness, empathy, and truth. The grandson thought about it. Then he asked his grandfather, which one wins? And he said, the one you feed the most. Meaning, we all have the capacity to give love and empathy for others, which is God. Or we could have hate, envy, malicious, narcissistic tendencies inside. Life is about a balance. In Robert Greene's book, The Law of Human Nature, he discusses having a healthy level of narcissism, meaning having a healthy level of self-love. Because without self-love, you're going to be very unsure of yourself, very doubtful, and you probably can be persuaded very easily. So that's why I stress having a balance and also being very mindful of which wolf you're feeding. I encourage all of you to be ambitious and carve out your own path in life. Your favorite YouTuber, artist, or celebrity. Hell, even me. We all had to start somewhere. So I challenge all of you watching this video. First, smash that like button for your boy. Help me out. Help me feed my good wolf so I ain't got to get back in these streets. You dig? And 2, decide to start today. Take your first step towards your goal or your ideal version of yourself. YOLO. We only live once. Don't be in a rush to make it to the grave. Be smart and responsible how you apply it. And understand with freedom and becoming an adult comes responsibilities and accountability. Y'all stay safe, Peanut Gallery.
World, Messiah world. Today we're gonna subscribe with the world. Please subscribe to my uncle page. Subscribe so we gonna see it when we wake up in the morning. You gonna wake up in the morning every day. And then go to sleep every day.
Scheming and plotting. I think she's scheming and scheming and scheming and scheming and plotting. I think she's scheming and plotting. Scheming and plotting.